So sometimes you will get this message when your air assist fan is super dirty and needs to be clean, and you won't be able to cut anything. So we can come on over here and I can show you how to clean that real quick. It's a pretty simple process. So you're going to want to take out your crumb tray. So go ahead and remove that. And the first fan you want to check is this one behind the cartridge here. So go ahead and snap that off, and that's just a magnet. And we want to make sure that is clean. And that looks pretty clean. And this is not the air assist fan, so this is most likely the one that they are not, they're not talking about this one. So we are going to go ahead and just unclip this right here. And just make sure you're really careful with this ribbon. Takes just the right angle, so get your finger in there and unclip it. Alright, after you have that off, you're going to want to take your hex tool. It's kind of like a star shape, and there is a little star-shaped, boy, I don't know what this is called, like a little bolt that you can put this tool in. I believe this is 3 millimeters. And just loosen it, crank the belt over to the left, and this belt will just slide off. Next, you're going to want to pull down the cartridge right here. So this is all magnetic, so just go ahead and kind of grab it with your thumbs here and your index fingers. There's like a little plate you can set it on. And this, you do have to give it a little bit of jostling, but this should just pop off. And here is your air assist fan that the message is regarding, and it is pretty dirty. Keeps getting stuck on some of this grime that's right here. So we're going to go ahead and give that a good cleaning with some Q-tips and alcohol wipes. So I was able to get off as much grime as I could. It does seem to run a little more freely here, so we're going to hope that this is all the machine wanted us to do. So we can go ahead and put it back just the same way we took it off. Make sure the teeth of the belt are facing in, and go ahead and, oops, I'm so sorry. Go ahead and click the machine in the back first. You should feel a little, you should feel it on the roller, and then bring it forward. And then same for this belt. Let's just make sure the belt is the right way here. Okay. You're going to want to put it on a little loop on the left first, and then over here on the right. And tighten the right side with that same 3 millimeter hex tool that you used to take it off with. And make sure the belt is on there good. This moves perfect. And then you can go ahead and attach our this little guy, our cartridge here. That ribbon just snaps into place. I'm hoping you guys can see all of this. I know it is not easy to do this one-handed. So there we go, the ribbon is back into place, and this just attaches right back on magnetically to the head, and everything should be good to go again. Put it all the way to the left, push it back. We're going to put our crumb tray back in. I did tip this upside down because just wanted to clean it out. I'm going to put the phone down for a second, and we are going to hope that this works. I kept getting a yellow light every time I wanted to cut something. And the fan, you could just hear it. It sounds a lot better now. It was just running really dirty. So we are going to put our acrylic piece back in, which is funny because I just cleaned it a couple days ago. But I just did a kind of a quick job. and walk over to our computer, get rid of this error message, and see if it cuts. All right, we are clicking scan and print and crossing our fingers that this all goes through. You know, sometimes it can take a couple seconds to focus. Just want to make sure the print lines up with the acrylic at the bottom. Sometimes the camera can kind of refocus again. Okay. And hopefully this does not turn yellow. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Now it's cutting awesome. Perfect. Thanks for watching with me.